Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Subaru Outback air filter. Pop the hood, undo the latch, and locate the airbox on the passenger side. Remove clips or screws, lift the cover, and slide out the old filter carefully. Inspect the box for debris and wipe it clean with a rag. Install the new filter in the correct orientation and reseal the cover securely before closing the hood. Start with the hood open and the engine cool, then undo the fasteners holding the airbox lid. Carefully lift the lid and check for any clips or hoses that might snag, then set the lid aside. Grasp the filter and pull it straight out to prevent debris from falling into the intake. Inspect the removed filter for excessive dirt to confirm replacement was needed, and use a vacuum or rag to clear the box before fitting the new part. Place the new filter in the airbox with the rubber gasket seated and the airflow arrows aligned correctly. Replace the lid, secure all clamps or screws evenly, and double-check that no tools or debris remain in the engine bay. Close the hood and start the engine to listen for any unusual sounds indicating a poor seal. A properly installed filter improves airflow and efficiency, so tidy up and enjoy the smoother running of your Subaru.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.